In this video, I'm going to talk about the doctrine of exoneration of liens. Number one, there's always been a firm question if a person inherits property either through intestacy, through lack of having a will, or through testacy, where a person has a will and gives a piece of real property to someone. Let's say that property is mortgage. Let's say your parent gives you Blackacre, which is valued at $200,000, but Blackacre has a $100,000 mortgage that's currently in effect at the time of your parents' death. The question is whether or not we're going to reach into the estate of the decedent and pay off or exonerate that lien, that mortgage against Blackacre, so that you would be entitled to take Blackacre free and clear. The important focus of our discussion in this video is the fact that there were common law rules that dealt with this situation. And nowadays we have the Uniform Probate Code, which has a different approach to this concept of exoneration. Under the common law, the presumption was that the decedent would want you to take a piece of real property free and clear of any mortgages, liens, or other encumbrances. Therefore, we would reach into the estate of the decedent and take away funds from the estate to pay off fully those mortgages and those obligations, those liens, and other encumbrances on real property. So that was the common law rule. Nowadays, under the Uniform Probate Code, we take an entirely counter and different approach to this whole question. Under the UPC, there is no presumption of exoneration. So if you were to receive as an inheritance a piece of property that was mortgaged or had a lien or encumbrance on it, you would assume that lien, that mortgage, or that encumbrance yourself. It would not be paid by the estate of the decedent. The only way that rule would be abrogated is if the decedent showed a contrary intent, that they in fact did intend to have that piece of property be exonerated and that you receive it free and clear. Well, how does this intent manifest itself? Well, typically it's manifested through language that you find in a will, for example, and the language would look something like this. I, the decedent, hereby give Blackacre to my son or my daughter minus any mortgage or encumbrance or lien. And my son or daughter is to take Blackacre free and clear of mortgage, encumbrance, or lien. If you had specific language in your will saying something like that, your intent is absolutely clear. If that were the case, we would reach into the assets of your estate and pay off any mortgage, lien, or encumbrance on Blackacre. So that's the way the UPC works, the Uniform Probate Code. And remember, the common law was counter or contrary to this modern trend or this modern approach. Thank you for taking the time to tune into this video today. I hope it was helpful.